Hi, my name is Sorrell. Welcome to Soils with Sorrell. I am a graduate student graduating in May from Texas Tech University with my master's in plant and soil science. But I live full-time in Arizona. I started this channel because I realized I had a hard time relating soil science concepts to my friends and family. I thought that there should be an easier way to talk about concepts such as eutrophication, soil quality, redox potential, and things like that. People were interested in what I was learning, but I would lose them after a certain point. I wanted to help them understand soil science, but in easier to understand terms. When I got accepted into Texas Tech, I chose the non-thesis option because I live and work full-time in Arizona. I am not a soil scientist, but a soil enthusiast. My channel is not so much about growing plants. There are enough channels out there doing that. It's more about soil and the concepts involving soil science. I hope that you find my channel helpful, and as you continue watching, I hope that you understand that soil is much more than just dirt. So let's start with the basics. What is soil? There are so many different ways to define soil, and even more ways that people individually define soil. Some will call it the ground beneath their feet, while others will call it the dirt their carrots grow in. And while both of these are true, soil serves a wide range of functions. For the purpose of this channel, we will define soil as the ground under our feet, but the top surface of the earth that contains living and non-living things to help support life. So how does soil support life? Soil acts like a filter by filtering the rain or water that lands on it, collecting the elements or toxins that were in the water. These elements can remain in the soil or leach out in various ways. Soil supports life by being the growth medium in which plants grow. Trees, tomatoes, and grass all need soil to grow in. Soil is home to thousands of microorganisms. They eat little bits of food in various forms and transform that food into nutrients that plants can use to grow. So when you see a beautiful forest, remember that the soil is providing those plants nutrients, which in turn help to provide food and nutrients to other living beings. Soil is also a material that can be used for building. Ever heard of clay bricks or mud houses? Engineers have to study soil because they need to know if the ground they are building their buildings on will continue to stand. They can also use soil to help with flood control by building up soil around certain areas that would otherwise flood. These are just some of the ways that soil supports life, and there are hundreds more examples. And soil is found worldwide, from the Arctic to the tropics to the desert and everywhere in between. But more on the types of soil in another episode. Soil is not just dirt. It is an important element that we all need to keep living on this earth, and we could play a very important role in learning to maintain this precious, non-renewable resource by understanding what soil is, what it isn't, how soil is the foundation for life, and what we can do to help protect it. Every couple of weeks, I will release new episodes on soil science and related concepts such as soil taxonomy, which means the 12 types of soil nutrients, soil loss, and many other topics designed to give you an understanding of soil so you don't have to wrap your brain around a science book. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching my introduction. I hope to see you back for more videos. And until then, save the soil.